Hi there, I'm Clint Finney, Civil Engineering Technician for the Natural Resource Conservation Service covering Jefferson, Harrison, Guernsey, and Noble County. And today we're here to talk about ways we can both harvest some more water and conserve water in this dry time that we're all experiencing. I'm currently standing at the base of a spring development. This was done in the late 90s. And at some point we'll show you parts of the video here that will show you that it's sort of failing. It's still gathering about 2 or 3 gallons a minute, but we're losing about 2 to 3 gallons a minute. There's 2 or 3 little seeps that are coming out here along the hillside, and they're running over and not getting into the collection. So what we need to do at this point to help harvest some more water, if we're in a situation where we don't have enough water, we're not harvesting enough water, we need to come back up in here and open this up so that the water, the free-flowing water, is getting back to the collection that's down there. As I said, there's about 100 feet of collection along this cliff face. I know that the cliff face was 8 foot tall when we started. We put perforated pipe at the bottom, filled it with gravel, and then pushed dirt up against the cliff. It has since settled, and so that's why the water's coming out of here. So what we're going to do is dig along these wet spots until we hit the old gravel. There's 57 gravel in there. It should be 8 foot thick. Once we clean that out and get down to that gravel, this water will then go back to free flowing down to our perforated pipe and get into our collection system. So like I said, we're getting about half as much water as we normally would get when we fix this. When we dig back down and get to that 57s, we'll be getting that water back in there. We'll be getting all the flow from the stream. And in permanent fix, we need to come back in here and put more 57s in here all the way up to above where the water line is and fill in with more dirt over top. But we're today really just talking about emergency situations and how to get more water into our spring development. All right, so what I've done here is just opened up a hole to get that water to free flow back into the old gravel bed, and it appears to be doing that at this point. And there's a ton of water. Of course, I just opened this up, so that's why there's a bunch of water, but we'll be getting a whole lot of that free flowing water back in our spring development. As I'm digging around here, I'm just trying to find the old 57 gravel bed that's down in here. And I think it's in this line right here. But I started up higher than I anticipated being. I just want to keep working my way down the hill until I hit that gravel bed, and I'll continue to dig down until I dig up those old 57s. Once I hit that old 57 river gravel bed that was put in here, that's when I know I'll have hit the old collection and the water will go straight down through the old 57s. So it's going to take some time to learn exactly where that is. We don't have GPS points to know exactly where that collection was. We just know it's somewhere in the vicinity of here. We're just going to have to keep digging down until we hit that 57 gravel bed.